Every day, humans are benefiting from the rise in the use of AI trading and machine-based learning. However, most of this is hidden to the eye, which makes it even more mysterious and confusing, just like the ingenious octopus. But what could octopuses possibly have in common with AI trading technology? With a biological structure of over 500 million neurons, the octopus's neural network acts exactly like organized data points, constantly feeding it with information. Like artificial intelligence, an octopus's neurons are located in its entire system, giving it the ability to react at amazing speed and flexibility. This sophisticated cephalopod uses pure logic, adapting and learning from its mistakes and making adjustments to suit its environment. Without any bones, the octopus is uniquely flexible in its approach to problem solving, giving it an ability to position itself in highly rewarding conditions. Octopus identifies and evaluates good trading opportunities, so you can enjoy the benefits of AI-based investing. Even if you're not sure how to navigate trading, but are willing to invest in technology that will do it for you. And for an added layer of transparency, Octopus even provides historical records on its own performance, allowing you to analyze risk and better manage your investments. Want an alternative intelligent investment solution? Think Octopus.